y'all doing? Thanks for stopping by and tuning in as always. Hope everyone has had a wonderful, positive holiday weekend. Attention all YouTuber pilots in the aviation industry. I have two Michael Carter Show challenges. First, how aviation has changed your life, and second, say the phonetic alphabet in 30 seconds or less. Please do me a favor and accept these challenges via response video. I would greatly appreciate that. Now, back on to aircraft reviews. We're looking at 2021 Avocet AV24 made by Avocet Aircraft in Petaluma, California, which is an hour north of San Francisco. It is a low fit swing, tricycle gear, civil general aviation aircraft. Single engine propeller, make General, new aircraft that is for sale for $200,000. The Avocet AV24 is the first aircraft in Avocet's clean sheet design program created for better dynamic stability, increased control, and lower drag. Design iterations were coordinated with engineers from aerospace industry leaders including NASA, Lockheed Martin, Skunk Works, and McDonnell Douglas Boeing. The design work is completed, including the fitted element and analysis for the airframe and computational fluid dynamics for the aerodynamic design. Manufacturing starts the third week, February 2021, which was last year. The first kits will be available approximately 9 months after manufacturing begins. The AV24 is faster with better flying characteristics. The AV24 can be built in 2 weeks in our builders program. Comfortable cabin, aerodynamic, modern, composite aircraft. The total load capacity is 730 pounds for pilot, passenger, fuel, and baggage. The engine specifications for the AV24 is built with an IO Lycoming 360. The cowling is fitted for a forward-facing cold air sump with a rod bower ram intake. Lycon also has a Avocet spec IL360 modification that has the same TBO as the stock engine. The modification gives about 40 more horsepower. Hartzell also approved a blade and hub system for use with the modified engine. The engine uses less than 11 gallons per hour. Avionics is made to specify dual 10 screen with either Garmin or Dynai and other leading avionics providers available. On the interior is leather racing car seats made to specs. The exterior, Toray T700S carbon fiber with closed cell urethane foam cores. The wings, cowling, landing gear, struts, and wheel pants are made with the same resin systems but use 7781 fiberglass instead of carbon. Its additional features, again, for under $200,000, you can own an aircraft that can cruise at 215 knots at approximately 85% throttle at 10,000 feet. During our break-in period, we will test each aircraft to accurately determine weight, performance, and approximate fuel usage. Price depends upon your avionics and what options you choose. The kit is around $7,000. The engine is around $31,000. Getting the aircraft certificated, painted, and firewalled is another 30 grand. The propeller is about 9 grand. Prices are subject to change. All aircraft are manufactured entirely in the United States. Your stall speeds with flaps is at 50 knots at 2,000 feet. A clean stall 54 knots at 2,000 feet. Your max level of flight 230 knots. and 250 knots at 10,000 feet with the Lycoming modified IL360 engine. Gross limit low gross weight 0.6 minus 3 for G-forces with 1.5 safety factor. Your maximum full flap speed indicated 100 knots. The never exceed speed 225 knots and 315 miles an hour. True airspeed at 10,000 feet. Empty weight 1095. Gross weight 1825. Your wingspan 28.42 feet. Wing area 113.5 square feet. Wing loading at gross weight 15.86 pounds per square feet. Wing aspect ratio 7.11. Washout 0.8053. Aircraft length 21.46 feet. The height 8.15 feet. Cabin width 46 inches. Fuel 48 gallons. And baggage 100 pounds. Well, that's going to conclude this review on the Avocet 24 Avocet aircraft. And before I close out this video, I want to give a moment of silence to those that we have lost due to stupidity before and during the holiday weekend to this gun violence. From my channel to your channel. Salute. Gulfstream Entertainment, Michael Carter Studios and Productions. Oh yeah, if you enjoyed my channel and video, check out these channels and videos.